Ready to ditch the digging for your wallet and snag your favorite eats with a tap. First things first, let's get Apple Pay set up as your preferred payment method on Uber Eats. Open the Uber Eats app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Now scroll down until you spot payment and give it a tap. This is where the magic happens. You'll likely see any existing payment methods you have linked to at Apple Pay. Tap on the Add Payment Method option. You should see Apple Pay as an option. If you don't, make sure Apple Pay is enabled on your iPhone and linked to a valid card. Tap Apple Pay. Uber Eats will ask for confirmation to add your Apple Pay. Just confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Perfect! You've successfully added Apple Pay now. Let's see how it works at checkout. Go ahead and build your dream order. Add all those tasty items to your cart like you normally would. Once you're ready to check out, tap on that tempting checkout button. Here's the key step. Under Payment, you should see Apple Pay already selected. If not, simply tap on the payment method and choose Apple Pay from the list. A familiar Apple Pay window will pop up. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize the payment. And that's it. Your order is placed and paid for securely with Apple Pay now. All that's left to do is patiently wait for your delicious delivery to arrive. Enjoy!